welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to be making some fishbowl snowman. Yes, we're going to be making snowman. I have a couple people with me today. I have my grandbaby Harmony, who's going to be helping me out today. And off camera, I have Sissy, who's going to be checking the camera and also making her own snowman. So you'll see her snowman at the end. So before we get started, let me show you what we have. We have 2 of the small fish bowls. All of the stuff that we purchased for the project was purchased at the Dollar Tree. Yes. And we also have the miniature Christmas, they're just called Cobblestone Corners miniatures, and they're just like miniature Christmas figurines. We're going to be using some foam little balls. It's going to act as our snow. And just because it's me, we have glitter that we're going to also put in our snowman. Yes, I'm going to cut that. We have some snowballs, or cotton balls, that we're going to pull apart for our snow. I need you to sit down, baby. We also are going to be using E6000, which is a great adhesive, and it'll stay together. And then we have a scarf that I bought from the Dollar Tree, which is I'm gonna cut it and make the scarf for the snowman. So we also have styrofoam little blocks. I actually bought these in 2 round styrofoam little things, again at the Dollar Tree. And we just cut them into little blocks, probably about, I don't know, 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Just so we're going to put those inside our little bowls to give our figurine some height, and then we're going to fill in with the snow. Yeah? Alright, so to start, we need glue. You want to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
What's your name?
Harmony.
And how old are you, Harmony? 4 years old? Alright, well I'm going to put the glue on here for you.
Okay. And I'm going to put the glue on yours too.
And then I just want you to put this in there like that. Can you do that?
Yeah. Be really careful.
Be really careful.
There.
There you go. And Puffy's going to do one for her too. You want to put it in Puffy's?
Yeah.
Because you're a pro now, huh? Drop it down in there.
And push.
Yep, and push. Give it a nice push. Try to make sure that you get it in the middle.
Hey guys.
Right.
This is the 7.
Alright, so now we're just going to kind of do a test run.
I'm Wonder Woman.
You're Wonder Woman? Alright, Wonder Woman. Will you put your little figurines in there how you want them to sit? And make sure you put them all on top of the white thing. Your styrofoam. I'm going to open the package here. They have a lot to choose from when it comes to the figurines. We grabbed, thank you, we grabbed almost one of each kind.
I can't put some more.
Okay, hold on, baby. I'm going to get you some glue. Let Puffy open her. Okay. So, I'm going to use a piece of this. Yes, because E6000 is a little messy. There you go. So sit that down in there, however you want. And I'm going to put my Santa in first. When you're putting it together, you just have to make sure that your figurines are facing the same way.
Guys,
and then when you put... What? Put Santa right there.
Yep.
Alright.
I get this one too.
Here, let me push this over just a little. What you say? You need some glue on that one?
Yep.
Oh, is yours too high? Which ones are those? The park benches, the park light? That's cute. Okay, let me put my Christmas tree.
That's my Christmas.
Oh, I think that is your Christmas tree. You want it right there?
I would do it.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You can do it.
Okay.
Here's a whole
Do it,
nother
guys.
bag.
There, guys.
And then you gotta put your finger rollers in.
Yep.
Okay, hold on a second. I'll get this glue.
So what we need else? We need to get a ball.
Alright, now we're gonna take the cotton balls and you're gonna pull them apart. Okay? Like that. Okay?
This one's mine.
Very cute. Uh-oh, I think the cotton ball's on the ground. Alright, so just rip your cotton balls up. Don't put it in there yet. Just rip them kind of up. There you go. There you go. I can't believe it's almost Christmas.
Me too.
What do you want for Christmas?
A new Barbie.
A new Barbie?
Yeah. And
what?
a big driving Barbie camper so I can drive in it.
Really?
Yeah, I want to drive in it.
Me too. You want to drive in a camper?
We can't fit in there. You can't fit in there. Only Grandma and Gran can.
Just you and Grammy Graham? I think you have favorites.
And I'm going to make your food. Fire?
Can I help you with some?
Yep.
Yeah, let's go. So all this the cotton balls is going to do is we're going to just take some E6000 and kind of drop it down in there. And then push your snowballs, what is this called? Cotton down in there.
Yeah.
And it's just going to cover the base there of the help cover the base here.
Okay. So guys, this is what you can do.
Okay, is this what you can do? Got a little bit of that E6000 here, but that's okay. So then I'm just going to take my cotton and just stuff it down in there. Like so. You don't want it to cover our people.
I want the glue.
You're going to get the glue in just a second.
Guys, if you do this, come on my channel.
You're funny. Hello everybody. So my camera stopped and I had no idea and we finished the craft. So once we went back and reviewed the video, we saw that we missed me putting the scarf on, pretty much putting it together, putting the hat on. Yeah, it turned off. So this is what it looks like in the end. And what you guys missed was Harmony made the top one. I made the bottom globe. We took the E6000, put it around the rim of the bottom globe, and just set the top globe on top. Then we cut the scarf and made two little scarves for our snowman. And then we placed our hats on top. We did purchase these hats at Hobby Lobby. We did not get those at the dollar store, but they were only like $2.99. But I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see us finish the craft, but this is what it looks like. So thanks again for coming to Puffs and Pops Studios. We will have another video up next week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.